you for watching Lango News channel.
Special greetings to the voters and the residents of Lira City. I have come today to alert you that I happen to pick my nomination form to contest as the Woman Member of Parliament for Lira City 2026 to 2031 as an independent candidate. As you are aware, we are having two ministers who are locked up in a battle for this seat, and in the process, our people risk being distracted and being divided from the real issues that affect us as Lira City at large. Now, my candidature offers a unifying path for Lira City if the voters in Lira City entrust me and then give me their votes, go and represent them. We are very sure that the ministers, both ministers, Honorable Jane Ruth Aceng and Honorable Betty Amongi, will be calm. And of course, Lira City as a whole will be at peace, because the fights that are in between, moving on here and there between both of them, is making us look very disorganized as a city. Now, we are looking at improving on different opportunities, health services, and then ensuring that accountability is ensured, is preached in Lira City. So by so doing, I want to believe
Thank
that
you for
Lira
watching
City
Lango
deserves
News
peace.
channel. Please
It
subscribe for
deserves,
more
a
updates.
leader who is for the people, a leader who is going to serve regardless of party affiliations, a leader who is independent, who knows what to be done, and a leader, of course, who bridges a gap. And the gap that we are looking at right now is a gap of unity and a gap of true servant of the people of Lira City. Thank you.